What's up? We are back. We're in the Flats of Beverly Hills and we're in an active construction site, believe it or not. Most of the time people like showing off the homes when it's done, but today we're gonna look at it before it gets done. Follow me. All right, so the developer here completely changed this entire house. Before, this was a real small, tiny room. Raised the ceiling here. It's super, super high, maybe, I don't know, 15 feet. And they create another study room on this side over here. And as we get closer here, they create this really amazing open space here. This chandelier was literally craned in. The skylight up there was literally craned in. We have this customized dining room created solely for really amazing gatherings. I know it doesn't look like that right now with everything going on, but I just want you to see the amount of work and detail that goes into a house of this caliber. As we're entering, I'm gonna call this the great room. This is where the family will mainly hang out. As you can see down here, we've got custom restoration hardware throughout this entire home. As we make our way down here to the kitchen, you can see here, this is all marble on the walls. These countertops are also marble. The windows here are custom windows with the black frames. This room did not exist. They created this room, and the scale again on the ceilings is ginormous. There is a pool house right back here. And these doors here open all the way up, creating indoor-outdoor space. Follow me as we make our way up to the upstairs where we're gonna take a look at the master bedroom. Look at all the space here. This is the primary bedroom. It's a huge scaffold here, so it doesn't look like much, but it is much. We have pitch ceilings here, which go all the way up, giving this room a real grand feel. They're the 3-panel windows. That's really in style right now. That's gonna overlook the pool, and we've got the same thing here, cornering out the primary bedroom. Follow me as we make our way to the primary restroom. There's marble in the shower. You got the herringbone marble in the shower. There's gonna be herringbone on the floors here. Your freestanding tub. Great, great scale on the ceilings as well. So one big customization the clients or the buyers wanted for this house is they wanted to create 2 masters. They're gonna be in and out of town, and they wanted 2 masters for the person staying here most of the time. This is the second master bedroom. And follow me into the other primary bathroom. You've got your marble herringbone backsplash. These are Brizzo fixtures, very, very high end. And same thing here. It's really awesome. I think I'm gonna use that for my next project. So this is the other closet. Again, everything is custom built out. This is gonna be like a small little shoe rack. Soft close. Let's make our way down to the top of the stairs where you get a real great vantage of the entire house. So this is what the developer wanted to create when you stand on top of the stairs, is this grandioso view looking at the chandelier down to the rest of the home. So that was a quick tour. This is what a project looks like maybe 2 or 3 months before it gets done. This house is completely custom, and it's gonna be one of the best houses in the Flats of Beverly Hills. We're gonna bring you back again when we're done. Thank you so much for watching. I'm headed back to the office.